Good morning. This is Around the House with Kay and Tom. I am going to fix just a very easy fruit salad, Florida fruit salad. We have eaten so much stuff over these holidays that I'm just going to fix a simple salad. What you need is a can of Mandarin oranges, pineapple chunks, 2 8-ounce cans, a box of instant pudding pie filling vanilla flavor, a cup of just orange juice, and 3 bananas. And it is just a really simple recipe. So what we do first is that we're just going to open the Mandarin oranges. Everything is drained. Mandarin oranges. Chunk pineapple. That's 1 can. I went to the store to buy some of these ingredients, and it is so hard to find small cans of anything. And I just looked up and did find 2 can 8-ounce, because it calls for 8 ounces, 2 8-ounce. You could either buy a 20-ounce can or this little 8-ounce. Finally found this 8-ounce can, so it was just hard to find. Then we're going to mix a box of instant pudding vanilla flavor and a cup of good old Florida orange juice. And slice up 3 bananas. I got these bananas the other day. Was going to come home and do this right quick, but I didn't do it, so the bananas might be just a little bit riper than I would like, but that's okay. It will work. I hope y'all had a nice holiday. Just seems like it's been a lot going on around here. And I just wanted something other that did not have any sugar in it. And that something was fresh. Need something other to take to somebody that's sick. This is really a ideal thing to do. Don't take long to fix it. You can fix it almost as quick as you can get out all your ingredients. Let's just stir this up together a little bit. Pineapple, mandarin oranges, and bananas. Now, doesn't that sound good already? And then your package of instant vanilla, jello pudding, and a cup of orange juice. Now I'm going to go ahead and mix this in with my pudding. Probably could have put a whisk in it. It would have blended better. And all you do, after you get that blended in, just mix it right on, pour it right on in there with the mandarin oranges, pineapple, bananas. Stir it together. It is better when it is chilled, but I am such a pineapple person. I'm going to go ahead and very, very good. And neither the bananas, oranges, or pineapple overpower each other. That is really a quick, simple Floridian fruit salad. Put it in the refrigerator, let it chill, and it will thicken up just a little bit, and serve it for an appetizer. And again, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so. And thank you for looking. And especially thank you for the comments and all of the New Year's wishes. And again, I will be back before long. And again, Around the House with Kay and Tom. Okay, this has been chilling for just a little bit, maybe 30 minutes. And I just want you to see how thick it has thickened up quite a bit. And it really is amazing to me how good this is. So like I say, give it a try. Short and sweet. Doesn't take long to do it. Fix it in one bowl. Put it in your other dish. And just chill it for a bit. And just give it a try.